Are you ready, Bandit? Alright, let's go. Early Bird Special, December 31st. Money Maker Bandits Early Bird Special. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm in love with the things you do. I'm in love with the way you move. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm in love with the things you do. I'm in love with the way you move. I'm in love with the shape of you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Hold up for a minute. I said hold up for a minute. Hold up for a minute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Fuck it, I'm going in. Money Maker Bandit. Early Bird Special. College basketball, December 31st. Love with the shape of you. Look out for Money Maker Bandits. #1 best play today. Check out the video for #1 best play. 100% free. Money Maker Bandit 4-0. College football bowls the last 2 days. 4-0. 4 stops, Moneyville. Choo choo, choo choo. 100% free. No $99 weekend specials. No $1,000 season packages. No $30 a day 8-unit lock of the week plays. With the shape of you. I'm in love with the things you do. I'm in love with the way you move. Play the Money Bandit fade or no fade game. A minute I said hold up for a minute. Hold up for a minute. Hold up for a minute. Where were we? Oh yeah, college basketball. Early Bird Special for Money Maker Bandit for December 31st. Garner-Webb, Hampton. Garner-Webb and Hampton. Money Maker play under 144.5 points. Under the total 144.5 points. Garner-Webb and Hampton. Early Bird Special from the Money Maker Bandit. Will you fade or no fade? Money Maker Bandit. Money Maker Bandit.